Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Windows 11 bootable USB drive using a free tool called Rufus. To get started, you only need two things: a USB flash drive with a capacity of at least 8 GB and a functional computer to configure the drive. Let's jump right into it. Our first step is to grab the official Windows 11 ISO file. Head over to Microsoft's official website. I've placed the direct link in the description box below. Once the page loads, scroll down until you find the section labeled Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Click on the Select Download drop-down menu, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices, and then hit the Confirm button right below it. Next, the site will prompt you to choose your preferred product language. Pick your language from the list and click Confirm once more. Finally, click on the newly generated 64-bit download button to start downloading the file. Keep in mind that the file is roughly 6 GB, so the download time will vary depending on your internet connection speed. While that file is downloading, we need to get our bootable media creator ready. We will be using Rufus for this. Go to the Rufus website, and the link is also available in the description. Scroll down to the download area. Since we want a quick and hassle-free process without going through any installation setups, look for the portable version link. Because Windows 11 strictly requires a 64-bit environment, make sure to grab the x64 portable version. Once it finishes downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder and simply double-click the file to launch the app instantly. Now connect your USB flash drive to your computer. Rufus should instantly recognize it, but double-check the device field to make sure the correct drive is selected. Under the Boot selection menu, ensure it is set to Disk or ISO image. Now we need to load our downloaded file. Click the Select button on the right, look for the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier, and open it. For the image option, you can leave it on the default setting, which is Standard Windows Installation. Moving on to the partition scheme, you must select GPT here. Modern systems running Windows 11 require GPT rather than the older MBR standard, so GPT is the mandatory choice for this process. Click the Start button at the bottom. A Windows User Experience customization window will pop up. Since we are preparing this drive for a PC that fully meets the official Windows 11 system requirements, we don't need to change anything here. Leave all the options unchecked and simply click OK. A warning notification will appear, informing you that all existing data on the USB drive will be permanently erased. Click OK to grant permission and initiate the formatting process. Rufus will now begin building your bootable Windows 11 installer. This will take a few minutes, so feel free to sit back and wait for it to finish. And there you have it. The process is complete. You can now close the Rufus application and safely eject the flash drive from your PC. Your new bootable USB is ready to deploy and install Windows 11 on any compatible desktop or laptop. If you need a hand with the actual OS installation process, make sure to check out our dedicated, step-by-step installation guide. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If this helped you out, don't forget to drop a like, hit subscribe, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next one.